Welcome to this tutorial on how to use EveryDollar on iPhone, a budgeting app that helps you manage your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a free app that allows you to create a budget, track your expenses, and set financial goals. To get started, download the EveryDollar app from the App Store and create an account. Once you have created an account, you will be prompted to set up your budget. Start by adding your income, including your salary, investments, and any other sources of income. Next, you will need to add your expenses, including housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides pre-built categories to make it easy to get started. You can also create custom categories to fit your specific needs. Once you have added your income and expenses, you can start tracking your spending. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track your transactions. You can also manually add transactions if you prefer. The app provides a clear picture of your spending, showing you where your money is going and how much you have left over. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. EveryDollar provides tools to help you stay on track and achieve your goals. To make the most of EveryDollar, it is essential to regularly review and update your budget. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the app to track your progress over time, seeing how your spending habits change and how close you are to achieving your goals. In addition to budgeting, EveryDollar also provides educational resources to help you improve your financial literacy. The app offers articles, videos, and podcasts on topics such as saving, investing, and managing debt. By following these steps and using EveryDollar regularly, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay consistent, review your budget regularly, and make adjustments as needed. With EveryDollar, you can create a budget that works for you and start building a stronger financial future.